In this clip, we're going to talk about the first step involved in your rear brake inspection and adjustment. The first thing you're going to want to do before you jack the vehicle up off the ground is break loose your lug nuts. Have my 4-way here. I'm going to slip it on one of the lug nuts and give it a good stiff tug. There we go. There is no particular order involved in removal of the lug nuts. However, during the reinstallation procedure, there is a method you're going to want to follow. The ideal way to use your 4-way is to place it like so. If your lug nuts haven't been off in a long period of time, they may be relatively snug. We're going to use a teeter-totter action. I'm going to push down with my body weight and push up with my leg here and break it loose, as you can see. Just like that. This is my last one to go. Right there. You're going to want to break your lug nuts loose before you jack the wheel off the ground. If you have the wheel off the ground, the amount of leverage you're going to have to apply in order to break the nut loose is going to exceed the amount of friction it has in the differential, and the wheel's just going to spin. So you're going to want to do that before you get it off the ground, and that's the proper way to break loose your lug nuts.